Welcome to the ZyLab eDiscovery Legal Review Search Series, Proximity and Positional Operators. Proximity and positional operators, as well as the use of separators, can dramatically increase the relevance of a search query result. Though keywords may be indicators of a document's significance, often the location or relationship of those keywords is crucial in determining the relevance. Using ZyLab's proximity search techniques, queries can include how close keywords must be in order to qualify as a hit, such as number of words, sentences, or paragraphs. Additionally, the order of the keywords can be defined, as well as defining separators between which the key terms must fall. Using the AND operator will return documents containing multiple keywords. However, that still may produce results which are not relevant. When key terms are located in close proximity, there is a strong likelihood that the terms are related. In this case, proximity searches can yield more effective results. The within operator is used to ensure that your search terms are related to each other. This is called a proximity search, an advanced search where terms can be matched while avoiding search results where the terms are scattered across a file and are unrelated to each other. You can combine several within operators in the same search query. As an example, to find the words project and plan within 3 words of each other, the following syntax would be used. The syntax involves a left query and a right query connected with the within operator, where the n is the maximum number of terms allowed between the query hits. The left and right queries can be a simple keyword or more complex queries, but cannot contain a not operator or to operator. Also, because proximity searches are intended for searching the text of a document, field queries and filters are not permitted. By default, the number n represents how many words are permitted between the left and right queries. However, ZyLab has other separators which can be used in place of words. In this example, the separator EOL, or end of line, is used so that instead of words, lines will be counted. More information on separators will be discussed later in this session. Finally, N and M can be used to determine how many terms can separate the left and right queries, depending on which is found first. In the example 2 within John, the following search results would be returned. Tom knows John because Tom went to school with John's brother. Note that the first instance of Tom and John are within 2 positions of each other, but the second instances are not. In the second example, phrases or full names are used, which is also permissible. In this example, the end of sentence separator is used. The word Minnesota must appear within 3 sentences of the word Maine. Note that the end of sentence separator may not be enabled on your system. Using the syntax John within 4 of 10 within Tom ensures that John must appear within a maximum of 4 positions before Tom and 10 positions after Tom. The following are some performance tips to help you better understand the within operator. Choose within 3 to within 5 to search in approximately the same phrase. Choose within 15 to search in approximately the same sentence. Use within 50 to search in approximately the same paragraph. Though there's an upper boundary set to 1000, it is advised to always choose a number below 100 to prevent too many search results with unrelated search terms. The precede operator allows you to find files in which the first search term precedes the second search term by not more than the defined number of terms. Use this operator when the order in which terms appear is important. For example, the query project precedes plan by 3 would return the document on the left because the word project comes before the word plan. The document on the right would not be returned even though the 2 words were within 3 terms of each other because the order does not match. Similar to the within operator, the syntax involves a left query and a right query with the operator p/n, where n is the maximum number of terms allowed between the query hits. However, the left query must precede the right query. As with all complex queries, parentheses can be used for clarity. Also, terms can be used, such as separators like EOL or end of line. In this example, the query live precedes by 2 of work. We'll find live to work because the work live comes before work, where it won't find work to live. The to operator allows you to search for occurrences of a term or query falling between 2 other terms or queries. The to operator can be useful when searching contracts, forms, or other documents where the structure is well defined. For example, a memo may have a known format in which standard headers or labels are used, such as subject, references, numbers, etc. These word terms could be used as separators to search only within those areas of the document. The syntax includes a left and right query separated by the operator to and followed by the query or term to be searched. The left and right query can be a term or phrase, however, negated queries are not allowed. This method of searching is most useful in documents which have standard headings or phrases such as letters, memos, proposals, contracts, invoices, resumes, etc. For example, as searching resumes which are known to contain the heading Experience followed by Education, one could search for keywords which are found between the word Experience and the end of the paragraph or section by using the separator Experience and Education. This would only look for instances of the keywords which fall between the two defined queries or terms. In the example of Dear to Sincerely John, the word John is being searched for only when it falls between the words Dear and Sincerely. Since John is the search query, only John is highlighted in the search results. The left and right queries must be terms or phrases or an error will be returned. In this example, another resume is being searched. The query locates resumes in which the Experience section contains the words driver or chauffeur and the number equal to or greater than 3. When indexing data, ZyLab creates separators which can help with targeting searches. The separators are end of sentence, end of paragraph, end of line, end of page, and end of document. When searching for end of document, the query returns all files with nothing highlighted. Since each file has an EOD token, it is an easy query to find all files in a data set. Note, however, that not all separators may be enabled on your system. In review, proximity and positional operators, as well as the use of separators, can dramatically increase the relevance of a search query result. For more information on ZyLab search techniques, please see the ZyLab search guide or go to help.zylab.com.